So you need an all-wheel drive wagon to get you, your family, your dog, and your gear to and from work, school, skiing, hiking, camping, whatever you're up to. So which do you choose, the Subaru Outback or the new Golf AllTrack? Let's do a side-by-side comparison. For city driving, the Golf AllTrack will just be easier. The dimensions are much more friendly for in-traffic maneuvering and parking, as are the steering and suspension. The 4Motion all-wheel drive system is also great for changing road conditions during your commute, and the Golf has excellent gas mileage. But it's on the highway where you really notice the difference. The turbocharged AllTrack just pulls harder, especially heading up the canyon. The AllTrack hits 60 miles per hour, a full 2 seconds faster than the Outback. Now let's talk money. The AllTrack has a 6-year, 72,000-mile warranty, but the Subaru Outback expires after only 3 years and 36,000 miles. So the Golf AllTrack warranty is twice as long and double the miles. It's a great deal. Take a closer look at the Golf AllTrack at Strong VW in Salt Lake and at strongvw.com.